Today's session is about reasoning, coding, decoding. Okay, I guess you might be familiar with this topic already. Okay, those of you who are not familiar with this topic, I'll give you an introduction. What is coding, decoding? Okay, so coding, decoding is something which you might have heard in the engineering side. Okay, uh, something which is quite technical, but it is not. It is different in our competitive examination. Coding, decoding is somewhat like that. Like if you have heard about HTML websites and all those things going on. Okay, so what they do is that they code a website. Okay, and afterwards when they code it, what you see is a web page. Okay, so you don't know, you have to decode that code to understand what they have written in the coding. Okay, to make any changes in the web page. Okay, so it is similar to that. Okay, so you need to understand the logic behind each and every question to make it clear or to understand what is going on and to solve the given question. ठीक है, so there are examples in coding decoding. मतलब पहले एक example दिया जाता है आपको और फिर उसके ऊपर से question दिया जाता है. So first there is an example and then there is a question. So those of you who are not familiar with this topic, I'll just give you an example. What is coding decoding? Because there are especially two types of coding decoding. Just a second, it is not visible. Okay, there are two types of coding decoding. Direct and indirect. Okay, now what is the difference between direct coding and indirect coding? Okay. In direct coding, suppose I say that ABCD coded as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, ABCD is coded as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Likewise, if I say EFGH is coded as 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. If I ask you, then what will be the code for I, J, K, L? What would be the answer? ABCD is coded as 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it somewhat clear now? It's still same. Yes, there may be some problem with the webcam, but I'm sure that this is visible. Is this visible or not? पूरा ही blank हो रहा है. I guess it is somewhat visible. So our answer is 9, 10, 11, 12. Can anybody tell me what type of coding is this? Is this direct coding or indirect coding? Okay, very good, Samira. This is indirect letter coding. Take a letter or indirect letter to number coding. Take it because here you have to apply logic. Every time you have to answer the question, you have to apply logic. Okay. So this is indirect letter coding. Okay. Now what is direct letter coding? Suppose I take the same example again, that ABCD is coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, EFGH as 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then what will be the code for D, E, A, G? Then what would be the code for D, E, A, G? Four, 5, 1, 7. That is that. 4, 5, 1, 7. So how did you come up with this answer? Did you have to apply some sort of different kind of logic? E का 4 कैसे हो सकता है, E का 5 कैसे हो सकता है? नहीं ना, because it has already been given in the above examples कि D का 4 क्या है, 4 है, E का 4 क्या है, 5 है, A का क्या है, 1 है, G का 7. ठीक है, so that in that sense both these examples have the answer of this question. Okay, so whenever the examples have the answer of the given question, remember it is direct letter coding. तो आप वहाँ पे लॉजिक ढूंढने मत बैठ जाना, ठीक है? Many a times it takes a lot of time. तो लॉजिक ढूंढते बैठ जाते हैं, बट आंसर उनके सामने ही होता है, तो डायरेक्ट लेटर कोडिंग. ठीक है, तो वो कंफ्यूजन दूर करने के लिए these are the two types. Okay, now we'll move further. We'll check out our type of coding decoding question. Okay, now I have shared a presentation with you people. Okay, try solving the first and the second question as you have been given over there. Question number 1. Has anybody got the answer? Question number 1. Majority is going for option number 1. If anybody who has not understood, please let me know that we can try solving the question. तो अगर नहीं समझ में आया प्लीज बताइए, तो हम लोग सॉल्व करना ट्राई करेंगे. एनीबडी हैज गॉट डिफरेंट आंसर तो वो भी बता सकते हैं. Okay. Okay. Rahul is asking question 2. Help, but first of all, we'll try solving question number 1. If anybody has not got the answer for question number 1, please let me know, or else we'll try solving it anyway.
भव्यन, ये प्रिंटर की
The question number 1 क्या था? In a certain code, missions missions is coded as MSII MSIIS NOS. Okay. Missions is coded as this. Then what would be the code for online? Okay, this is the question. Now you can see first and the last letter have not been changed. Okay. First and last letter aren't interchanged yet. O will remain the same, E will remain the same. ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या चेंज हुआ है? These letters have been interchanged. ठीक है, in pairs. दो दो के ग्रुप में इंटरचेंज हुए हैं, so you have to interchange this also in pairs दो दो के ग्रुप में. That means LN NNL will be LNN and IN will be NI. ठीक है, so that would be answer OLNNIE. That is option number 1. Okay. Now for question number 2, people are asking help. Okay, Siddhi has already answered the question. He's saying option number 2, GRHE. Okay, but try solving question number 2. Tell the question number 2 में information that tiger, TIGER, tiger. Trying to write it in big letters so that the blurred screen wouldn't mind it. Tiger is coded as QDFHS. Tiger is coded as QDFHS. ठीक है? Then what would be the code for fish? Fish के लिए क्या code होगा? ऐसा उन्होंने पूछा है. ठीक है? First we have to find out what is the relation between tiger and this QDFHS. Here you can see T के पहले कौन सा लेटर आता है? S. ओके, Q के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? सॉरी, दिस इज आल्सो माइनस वन. आर के पहले कौन सा लेटर आता है? Q. ठीक है. ई के पहले कौन सा लेटर आता है? डी. जी के पहले कौन सा लेटर आता है? F, I के पहले कौन सा लेटर आता है? H. So they intertwined, ठीक है? मतलब the first letter is related to the last letter and the last letter is related to the first letter. Same way it goes on. ठीक है? Now here F के पहले कौन सा लेटर आता है? That will be over here. H के पहले कौन सा लेटर आता है? S के पहले और I के पहले. ठीक है? That would be answer GRHE. Okay, that is option number 2. Anyone who has not understood it, please let me know so that we can move further. Okay. Now we have been given question number 3rd and 4th as well. Try solving them. Question number 3rd, has anybody got the answer? Okay, so we've got 2 answers. Question number 3rd. Okay. I guess it is the same type of question which we have solved in the previous one. Okay. Okay. We've got different
આપણે
answers.
તો બરાબર છે વાઈફાઈ આવે છે તો આગળ
We'll try solving both of them. Okay. First, we'll try solving question number third. Question number third was in a certain code frozen. For those who have not got the answer yet, frozen is coded as OFA PSG. PSG. Okay. And what would be the code for molten? Exactly opposite words, frozen and molten. Now, as I told you, it is quite similar to the previous question, पर एक डिफरेंस है, यहाँ पे एक ही डिफरेंस है कि पिछले क्वेश्चन में हम लोगों ने -1 किया था, यहाँ पे +1 है. So the first letter would be related to the last one as well as the last letter would be related to the first one. +1 होते जाएगा यहाँ पे FG, NO, EF, ठीक है, ZA, OP, RS. Okay. Over here, same will happen. MN, NO, OP, EF, LM, PU, OFU, MPN. That is option number third. That was question number third for us. Question number fourth. In a certain code, ROR, ROAR. ROR is coded as Urdu. ROAR, ROR is coded as URDU, Urdu. Okay. Then what would be the code for Urdu? ठीक है, ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. How many letter difference? How many? What is the gap between R and U? R, S, T, then U. That is +3. ठीक है. O, P, Q, and then R. This is also +3. A, B, C, and then D. This is also +3. R, S, T, and then U. That is also +3. So each letter, when you add 3 letters to them, you'll get the answer or you'll get the code. Same ways you have to answer this. U +3. U, V, V, W, and then X, R, S, T, U, D, E, F, G, U, V, W, X. So U, X, U, G, X. That would be answer. By adding 3 letters to each letter, you get the answer. That is question number 4. Thanks, Rahul, for explaining it. Next. अगर किसी को समझा नहीं है, please let me know in the chat box so that we can solve it again. Question number 5th and 6th has been given to you. Okay. Harsh has not understood, so we'll have to go back. Questions 3 and 4. Which question have you not understood, Harsh? Was it the third or the fourth one?
Question 4. Question 4.
Actually, I am not able to hear you, so you have to type in the chat box. Question number 4. Okay. Let's see, there is a 3-letter gap, okay, between R and U.
Yes.
Okay. There's a 3-letter gap between R and U. There is a 3-letter gap between O and R.
हाँ,
as well as A and D,
D
and the
and
same goes
R
for
and
R
U.
and U. ठीक है, that
Okay.
means you have to add three letters to each. ठीक है, मतलब R के बाद 3 letters आपको add करने हैं. That is R के बाद
Okay.
3 letters कौन से? थर्ड लेटर
हाँ,
कौन सा आता है? That is U. ठीक है,
हाँ,
R S T and then U.
U. हाँ,
सेम वेज O के
O,
बाद आपको 3 लेटर ऐड करने हैं.
O.
ठीक है,
हाँ,
that is the
P
third
Q
letter
R.
would be the code.
R.
ठीक है, तो O के बाद P Q R.
R.
ठीक है,
हाँ,
एंड A के बाद फिर से थर्ड लेटर जो आएगा that would be the
हाँ.
code A B C
Okay.
and D. सेम
हाँ,
वेज लास्ट लेटर का भी R S T U.
U. हाँ.
अंडरस्टूड. नाउ हमें पूछा है फिर उर्दू का क्या होगा. अभी हमें लॉजिक पता चल चुका है. वी हैव अंडरस्टूड द
हाँ.
लॉजिक. So
Okay.
we'll just have to apply it over here. U
अच्छा.
plus 3,
Okay.
that is
अच्छा,
X.
X. अच्छा, R
R
plus
plus
3.
3, U
U.
plus 3, X मतलब U
Okay.
V W X. ऐसे तीन लेटर्स
Okay.
ऐड
Okay.
करोगे तो X हमें आ जाता है आंसर. And the same way for the other letters too. So we'll get the answer X U G X. Okay. Okay. We'll move on further. Question number 5th and 6th. I feel like I am on the KBC seat right now. ये रहा
Limca.
अगला पड़ा.
Limca એટલે A B C D E F G H.
Okay. Got the answer for question number 5th already. Question number 5th is quite a different kind of question. In other question, you are certainly asked for the code. Here you have been given the code and you have to find out the word. ठीक है, मतलब कोड ऑलरेडी दिया गया है. वो किस वर्ड से बना है कोड ये आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. दैट इज यू हैव टू गो रिवर्स. If anyone has not understood question number 5th or 6th, please let me know. Okay, Nazab has got some different answer for question number 5th. Okay, no problem. Rahul has also explained it to you, so it might be easy for you to solve. Still you haven't understood the question, please let me know. Try solving it, don't worry about that. Okay. We will try to solve question number 5. Question number 5, what they have given. In a certain code, Limca, 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 is coded as HJLDZ. Okay, Limca is coded as this. Then which of the following words would be written as IFWJBP? IFWJBP. Now in other question we have to find out this one. Okay, but हमें ये already दिया गया है. The code has been given. हमें ये ऊपर वाला जो word है वो find out करना है. Okay, so first of all we need to figure out what is the logic behind this. Okay, as Rahul has already explained, this it is +1 -1 +1 -1, but for the first letter it is different. ठीक है, फर्स्ट लेटर में +1 तो है नहीं, -1 भी नहीं है, तो कितना है? L, H is the previous letter of L. ठीक है, बट कितना प्रीवियस है? इट इज -4. H I J K एंड देन L. ठीक है, इट इज -4 और फिर बाद में माइनस है और फिर बाद में प्लस. दिस इज +1 I J, फिर बाद में -1. M के पहले जो लेटर आता है वो L. ठीक है, दिस इज +1. C के बाद वाला लेटर D. दिस इज -1. A के पहले वाला लेटर Z. ठीक है, so we have understood the logic. Now we'll try solving by putting it in our question. So we have been given the code, we have to find out the word. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने -4 किया. ठीक है, but okay, Rahul has also explained it again. तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने -4 किया है, but ये हम लोगों ने वर्ड से कोड पे गए हैं. ठीक है, that means we have understood that we have to go from word to code, that we have to find out the code. ठीक है, but यहाँ पे we have to find out the word. For that we'll have to add 4 letters because we are going reverse, that is reverse engineering kind of stuff. We have to add 4 letters I J K L M. ठीक है, तो M will be the first letter. ठीक है, फिर यहाँ पे +1 हुआ है तो यहाँ पे -1 होगा. F के पहले वाला लेटर E, यहाँ पे -1 हुआ है तो यहाँ पे +1 होगा. ठीक है, दिस इज -1. we go chronologically, this is +4, right? +4 -1, पहले प्लस फिर माइनस फिर से प्लस. ठीक है, तो फिर यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? x ऐड करना है. यहाँ पे -1. ठीक है, I, यहाँ पे +1, B के बाद वाला लेटर C, यहाँ पे -1. Oh, so your answer is Mexico. I hope you have understood this. This was question number 5. Option number 1 is our answer. If you have not understood this question, please let me know. We'll move to question number 6. Question number 6 क्या है? In a certain code, Hilton, Hilton, Hilton is coded as IHLTON. P, L, and O. Okay. I guess we have solved this type of question earlier. It is same as that. And what would be the code for billion? ऐसा उन्होंने पूछा है. ठीक है. तो सेम पहले हम लोगों ने जैसे किया था, पेयर्स में इंटरचेंज हो रहा है. HI का IH हो चुका है. LT, TL इंटरचेंज किया है सिर्फ उन्होंने. ठीक है. So BI, IB, double L will remain the same. IO, OI, N का कुछ इंटरचेंज नहीं है इसलिए N. Okay. So the answer is IB double L OIN. IB double L OIN. That is option number third. Question number 6 is option number third. If you have not understood it, please let me know, or else we will move forward. Okay, okay. So we'll move forward to the next slide. Question number 7 and 8 have been given to you. Try solving these two questions. If you have any doubt regarding the previous questions, you can ask it straight away. Don't hesitate. Okay, okay. I'll explain question number 7. Okay. In the English alphabet, every alternate letter from B onward is written in small letters. Okay. While others are written in capital. Then how will the third day from Tuesday will be coded? Okay. How will be the third day from Tuesday will be coded? तो उन्होंने क्या बोला है, हर alternate letter from B इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट में, इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट दैट इज ABCDEF टिल Z. ठीक है. बी के बाद जो अल्टरनेट लेटर होगा, ठीक है, दैट इज सी को छोड़ के फिर डी. आर यू गेटिंग इट? तो वो अल्टरनेट लेटर्स जो भी है डी के बाद F, सो दिस विल बी इन कैपिटल फॉर्म. ठीक है. बाकी जो भी है, बाकी जो बचे हैं वो will be in the lowest form. ठीक है. So you have to find out. So then how will be the third day? That is a question. Then ऐसे लिखा जाएगा अगर if in this format something is written, then how will be the third day from Tuesday will be coded? Third day from Tuesday will be coded. That is the question. अगर वो फॉर्म में लिखा जाएगा तो third day from Tuesday is, first of all you need to figure that out. Third day from Tuesday कौन सा होता है? What is the third day from Tuesday? Answer that first. No, it is not Thursday. Am I audible to all of you? Okay. Yes, it is Friday. Najaf is correct. The third day from Tuesday is Friday. Our answer has already been given in the question. ठीक है. ऑप्शंस में हमें ऑलरेडी आंसर मिल चुका है. फ्राइडे इज द आंसर. बट अगर उन्होंने कोई और फॉर्मेट पे लिखा होता फ्राइडे और 2-3 ऑप्शंस में, तो वी हैव बीन कंफ्यूज्ड. द आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का ऑप्शन नंबर 5 इज करेक्ट. बट वो किस फॉर्मेट में लिखा है वो समझा है कि नहीं आपको? As I told you earlier, that every alternate letter from B is written in, okay, every alternate letter from B is written in small letters. Okay, So F will be written in small, okay, while D will be written in small and E will be written in कैपिटल. ठीक है, बाकी जो भी बीच बीच में उसके लेटर्स आते हैं वो कैपिटल में लिखा जाएगा. एक बार फिर से दिखा देता हूँ आपको अगर कंफ्यूजन हो रही होगी तो. ठीक है, उन्होंने क्या कहा है, इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट मतलब A to Z का. ठीक है, सो दैट मीन दिस विल बी A, will be B, okay, C, D, E, F, G, H and so on. ठीक है, तो अगर ऐसा लिखा जाएगा तो फ्राइडे किस तरह से लिखा जाएगा ऐसा उन्होंने पूछा था. तो हमारे ऑप्शन में ऑप्शन नंबर 5 इज आवर आंसर ऑलरेडी. ज्यादा स्ट्रगल भी नहीं करना पड़ा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. का आंसर दे चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. Why? Any of you who have not understood the question, please let me know. Think कर देता आपको ही सॉल्व करना है. If anyone has not understood question number 8, please let me know in the chat box. अगर नहीं समझा है feel free to ask so that we can, अगर समझ गए हो तो ठीक है, so that we can move to the next question. So maybe I'll explain it for those who have not understood. If the letters in the word C, Y, C, L, I, and D, yeah, okay, that is not the correct spelling of cylinder. Okay, are arranged alphabetically. Then which letter would be farthest from the first letter of the word? ठीक है, अगर उन्होंने कहा है कि सिलेंडर, ये जो भी वर्ड है, okay, we'll call it cylinder for now. ठीक है, तो cylinder is arranged alphabetically. Alphabetically मतलब जो letters first आएंगे, that is C, C, D, E. Okay, alphabetically मतलब अल्फाबेटिक ऑर्डर में, जैसे ABCD है उस ऑर्डर में अगर हम लोग लिखेंगे अगर इस वर्ड को फिर से, तो फिर फर्स्ट लेटर होगा इस वर्ड का, ठीक है, दैट वुड बी सी. उसमें से उससे सबसे दूर वाला लेटर कौन सा हो सकता है, ऐसा उन्होंने पूछा है. सबसे फादर्स्ट लेटर कौन सा हो सकता है, तो दैट वुड बी द, देयर इज ओनली वन लेटर व्हिच इज द 25th letter of the English alphabet, that is Y. ठीक है, So that will eventually be the farthest letter from the letter C or the first letter. Okay. So why would be coming at last? Because alphabetically वो सबसे दूर आता है. ठीक है. तो वो first letter से सबसे ज़्यादा दूर रहेगा. तो the answer is option number third. That is why. Okay. We'll move to the next question. Number 9 and 10. Yes, this will be the last question. Okay. I've made some more questions for you. Don't worry about that. We discuss it in the next lecture, the next session. But for now, all these questions.
IGNO HIVD LPMEZ only. Option number 1. 10 seconds. Sequence is written as FTOF VRFT. In the same way, children is coded as SNF. EFST NOCD DEF HIEF QRIGDE. CD HIIJLM DERS OFSEMJ. Option 2.
If anyone has not understood each question, please let me know.
₹800 kumain.
Question number 9 is exactly similar. Question number 9 is exactly similar to the previous question. Okay. There is +1, -1, same things going on. I'll show it to you just in case. There's a certain code, certain and a certain code, certain, CERTEIN, certain, is coded as BFQUZJM. Okay, so certain is coded as this. How is mundane, 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 coded in the same language? ठीक है, तो मैंने बताया कि सेम हम लोग ऐसा क्वेश्चन कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. दिस इज -1, एक लेटर पीछे. ठीक है, दिस इज +1, QR -1, PU +1, AZ -1, IJ +1. ठीक है, दिस इज ऑल्सो -1. So -1 +1 -1 +1, same. -1 over here. Okay. I guess the answer will be none of these then. Nahin, here. Okay. I was checking out the options of question number 10. So this will be L. This is -1. This is +1. M -1 +1. LVMEZOD. Okay. 9th का option number 1. Okay. Question number 10. Sequence वाला question. ये भी हम सेम टाइप का कर चुके हैं, आई गेस. यस, हम लोग ये सेम टाइप का कर चुके हैं. इस पे ऐड करना है आपको हर एक लेटर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. तो एक बार दिखा देता हूं आपको. सीक्वेंस is coded as FDO FV RFT. Okay. They have been given the code for sequence. Now they have asked what would be the code for children. Okay. So here you can see the first letter is connected to the last letter +1. Last letter is connected to the first letter +1, and so on. Okay. So here, okay, N O E F R S D E L M I J H I C D O F S E M J I D O F S E M J I D. That is question number 10. Option number 2 would be our answer. Okay. So this will be our last session for today. Last question for today. So sorry. If anybody has any query in regard to this, please ask me. Okay, I had a vivid habit earlier. Whenever I used to take lecture, I used to speak out some current affairs. Okay. Current affairs is a very important topic in these type of questions. So whenever you get a chance, please write it down. ठीक है, रोज का रोज डेली लिखते जाओ. ठीक है, it doesn't matter कि आप the source material is what and what. You just have to keep on writing. Daily लिखते जाओ. You can get it from newspapers. अभी तो newspapers available नहीं है, so you have to find out online what are all the current affairs. But write it down. Whenever you write it, you remember it. Okay, because there is no other thing that you can recover it to. Okay, current affairs is not like maths or reasoning that आप क्वेश्चन कोई देख लोगे तो आपको उसका आंसर पता ही होगा. ठीक है, so you'll have to go back. Hello, am I audible now? Okay. So Mumbai has become the first city to have a female signboards in every other corner. ठीक है, पहले सिर्फ men का signboards हुआ करता था. Now we have female signboards as well as on traffic lights as well as on everywhere. ठीक है, जहाँ जहाँ पे men का signboards होता था, वहाँ पे female का भी. Get into more deep, Dadar has become the first station, what you may call it, city, to get it done. Okay, so that is our first current affair. The second is International Youth Day. Today is 12th August. Today is International Youth Day, and it was started in 1999 when the youth protested for their rights and legalities. ठीक है, हमारे यहाँ पे 18 के बाद हमें लाइसेंस वगैरह दिया जाता है, बट इन अदर कंट्रीज दे हैव 16 प्लस, फिर उसके बाद उनको लाइसेंस वगैरह अदर चीजें जो उनको मिलती रहती है. ठीक है, सो in 1999 this question was raised कि इंटरनेशनल यूथ डे ऐसा कुछ सेलिब्रेट किया जाएगा, बिकॉज दे हैव टेकन अ स्टैंड एंड उनके वजह से उनको वो लीगल राइट्स मिले गए थे. ठीक है, सो इन 1998 में उसका पहले हुआ था, और फिर 1999 में वर्ल्ड कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ जनरल असेंबली इट वाज टेकन ऑन फोर, एंड 12th August 2000, the year was 2000, was the first international youth day which was ought to be celebrated. ठीक है, so today is the 20th international youth day. Okay, so you also keep on writing. मैं भी ये लिखते रहता हूँ current affairs, even though I have no such need for that, but आपको बताने के लिए या फिर किसी और को बताने के लिए मुझे लिखना पड़ता रहता है, that I can be updated to what all things are going on. ठीक है, and happy youth day to you also as well. So we'll stop today's session. Thank you so much. And we'll continue with coding decoding. I have so much more questions to cover up. You can see there are more slides going on. Okay, so I've made 20 question slides. Yeah, 20 question slides. So we'll cover up in the next lecture, in the next session. Thank you so much. Good day to you.
You are currently the only person in this conference.